Hello friends, and welcome back to the Mothership. Today we are smoking up our very own green tea brine chicken wings. Let's get started. Now for this marinade, guys, we are starting out with a bunch of green tea. This is 4 cups of green tea, and I made it nice and strong by using 4 tea bags. So we're gonna get these out of there. I want it to be nice and cool, so I let it sit for a while. But I want this to be strong, so take the tea bags out. Make all the jokes you want. And then since I'm basically just pretending this is water, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of kosher salt, which is my standard brine for chicken. I'm going to get that nice and mixed together. Perfect. And then I'm going to take a whole bunch of garlic cloves. Garlic cloves. This is probably equivalent to like 5 normal size ones, but I got a bunch of mini ones here and I'm just going to smash them. And these are just getting tossed in there. I'm smashing them only to open them up so you get a little bit of the juices coming out when we marinate. And that's ready to go. Here's our chicken wings, and we're just gonna pour this over top and get them so they are nice and completely submerged. Push them down in there. Perfect. Now this is gonna go into the fridge overnight and marinate in this green tea mixture. Then we'll come back tomorrow and we'll actually cook these suckers. And here we are. Let's get these chicken wings on. Toss some wood chunks on for a little bit of smoke. And I'm going to let this run for 30 minutes before I look at them. About 45 minutes later, and these are ready to go. These cooked a little bit fast. Must have been a hot grill today. But look at that skin. That looks perfect. I'm going to take them off. Then we're going to go inside and see how we did. And these beautiful chicken wings are done. They got really nice color on them. They look fantastic. I am excited to chomp into them. Here's what we're working with. Oh, that looks so good. Yeah. But what matters most is how do they taste. So I am going to serve them with a little bit of lime. Just get a little bit of lime on top there. And let's give it the old-fashioned chomp. That is exactly what I want them to be. These are absolutely fantastic. Perfect level of salt with that brine on there. The green tea adds an extra dimension of flavor. And the smoke we got is always fantastic. The Vortex does a really good job. Adding in just that little bit of lime at the very end also helps bring out all the flavors. These are really, really good, guys. And honestly, you probably can make them with just what you have in your cabinet. Don't have to do anything crazy. Just brew up some tea, throw some salt in there, a little bit of garlic, and toss them on your grill. I highly recommend giving this one a try, guys. And if you do, let me know down below what you think. But I'd also like to hear, what else are you guys cooking up these days? What other kinds of wings do you like making? Do you like doing sauced wings? Do you like doing them nice and dry? But most importantly, you guys get out there and cook something absolutely fantastic, and I'll catch you on the next UFO barbecue. Bye-bye.